Let's learn how to align a text along an arc in AutoCAD. First, enter arc command. And then create an arc here. Then, give command ARCTEXT. Select the arc you just created. Then it will ask you for the text. I'll type the text as BMW. And from here you can control various parameters such as text height, width factor, offset from arc, offsets from left and right, etc. You can also change the font type, color, and style according to your preference. Then, click OK. And you can see, this text is aligned on the arc. Once you achieve the desired result, you can delete the arc, leaving the perfectly aligned text. And that's all for today. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.